Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Janki Bhimani. I'm Professor and Director of Data Management Research Lab here at FIU. You can address me as Prof or Professor throughout this semester. I have spent my last decade building my research experience and expertise investigating various issues related to emerging storage technologies such as flash-based technologies and non-volatile memories when deployed in the areas of cloud computing, parallel computing, big data processing, etc. My passion lies in optimization, may it be the optimization of performance, resource management, capacity planning, or endurance enhancement. I just want to do more with the resources or things that I have at my hand. Apart from my passion for optimization, I love sharing the knowledge that I learn with others. That brings me to my love for teaching. I welcome you to this course of storage systems. I wish during this course, you would learn concepts about storage systems, challenges that are being presented today with emerging technologies in the areas of storage systems, and we would together discover new solutions to these new problems. Welcome on board. Enjoy the journey.